Here I have XR and let me show you how to reset app preferences on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Let's open here the list of all apps, scroll down and choose settings. From the list of settings, we need to scroll down again and choose system, select reset options, and here let's choose reset app preferences. Right here, the second option. So this operation will reset all preferences for disabled apps, disabled app notifications, default application for actions, background data restriction for apps, and any permission restrictions. What's really important, you will not lose any app data. So if you are aware of this, let's tap reset apps, and that's it. You just reset app preferences so you can go back and start using your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.